Hi guys, so we're back and we're here at Cartimar Pet Center, and it's been a while that we haven't visited the place or the shops that they have here. And entering at the side of this area, we can see here, this is a really big tank. I don't know how many gallons is it, but you would see here there's a lot of hammerhead. They have giant gourami, some monster tank. And here at Aqualand Alley, all sorts of, well, today actually, which is a Saturday, February 13, they have a lot of stocks right now, unlike the previous one when I have visited last time. And as you could see here, it's all full, jam packed, and there's a lot of choices. So whenever that you're thinking of establishing or getting a new tank, as you would see here, well, this is a monster tank, alligator gar. You would need a pond for that. And here assortments of like a community fish. These are random videos which I took around both of the pet shop from Aqualand Alley and also from Cartimar Pet Center. And some of the fishes is the first time I saw them. And as usual, if you're looking for arowanas, different kinds, and well, you can get it here from Cartimar. All you need to do is scout out and try to check prices, compare prices, because each and every pet shop would have its own price. As for my experience, they also have humongous orandas, goldfish here at Cartimar, and they're so beautiful, and even pufferfish. So for those hobbyists who's interested not just only with freshwater, you can check out, because there are also saltwater fishes that you can see here in Cartimar, and also exotics. And this is a very beautiful aquarium, though it's not a live plant, which is for discus. And guppies, for those who's collecting guppies, they have Daniels too for small deter fishes. And also, not to set aside aquascaping and hardscape. You can choose from different stones, and also things to put inside your aquarium, from medias for your filtration. As you will see here, this is a saltwater fish, and I was checking with the sales lady. Materials will be, or equipments will be expensive, but the fishes, she says, is cheap. So it's a busy Saturday. As you could see here, I am trying to go and check Aqualand Alley. So here on the spot, you can purchase aquariums as to what size you want, because there's a guy here when you enter Aqualand Alley. He's right in front of you assembling the fish tanks. And here are the shops on the very front of Aqualand Alley. You can choose from, and they have their own specialties too. Like this store has a lot of betas or fighting fish that you can choose from. And so also feeders, from goldfish to this super worm, you can purchase here at Cartimar. So there's some shots that I took here. So for beginners, how to decorate your tank. This is like a 2.5 gallon tank, and assortments. As here I'm trying to go in, and to your left is the guy who's doing the aquarium on the spot. And here I'm at the store checking all the fishes here. So just enjoy with your eyes. I didn't ask for any prices at all. There's accessories too, as you would see, and each one has a different price. I didn't ask for prices as it's so really busy at this time actually, or day also, that I went here. And goldfish, all sorts. Actually, my eyes are all around, and here you can check also. There's a lot of selection for better fishes, and I think they have different variety too. There you go. So cute. And here is one of the best, or the nicest saltwater shop that I visited. And as you would see here, even endless, there's a lot here. Well, in short, there's a lot of choices. All fishes, unlike last time, there's just a few, like just all goldfish, but now there's a lot of choices. And even electric blue ram you can visit and get it here. And as to different kinds of cichlids, embuna, and also haps, and also discus, bala sharks. And I didn't ask for this fish, but it's really nice. I believe it's a monster fish too. And how I wish I would have big tank that I could collect them also, but it's a big responsibility getting this kind of fish that grows more than 10 inches. So well, here you can actually go from one shop to another and haggle as to the price. And also you can choose from the simplest, like guppies, or the cutest, like these balloon mollies. And also there are accessories like SpongeBob's, or this kind of fairy thing, or that one. I don't know, I'm just overwhelmed when I went here looking at all these fishes and accessories. So you can drop by here, and they say that sometimes they close at 7 or 8 o'clock, or go beyond if it's really a busy day. And here, baiters are placed in a small jar because you would have the chance to transfer them anyway to a bigger tank. So thank you for watching. Till next time.